Hello everybody. Today's video I'm going to fill the tank and clean it, the water tank, and prime the taps as well. And so at the moment I've just started to fill the tank with water, as you can see. So I'm just going to turn this around and show you what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, so we're going to fill the tank up, and then we're going to add some bleach and just make sure all the valves are off around here. And this one's open. So turn that off if we can with one hand. I don't think we can. Yes, we can. So you're going to shut those off for a minute and go back around here. Take the water out. Pick up the bleach we've got, the cupful. I can't actually get in there, so I'm going to have to get a funnel. So let's go and see if we can find a funnel, shall we? So I can't find a funnel, so I found a vodka bottle. That'll do the job. Pour the bleach in there. That's all done. And then tip it into there. There's about a cupful of bleach, just like a normal teacup. 135 litre tank, and it says half a cup for 55 litres, so I've done for a full cupful, so that's in there now. So let's just add some more water, and then we go to the board in the van and see what it says, how much water we've got. So let's go in the van, and the water trial tribute, it's up here. Let's turn that on, and we go to 1 bar at the moment, as you can see. But what we want to do is prime the pump. So turn the pump on, prime the taps. Just going to turn it to cold first of all. There you go, that's primed. That's got the air out of the system, and you see that foam there, that's the bleach. And also we're going to prime the boiler as well. Turn on that. And then we go into the bathroom and turn on that one as well. There you go. Just to prime that. And also it clean these pipes as well. So turn it to the hot, turn it to the cold. There you go. A bit foamy, as you can see, that's the bleach. Now I'm going to leave that in there for, as it recommends, about 2 hours now. That water. Turn those off. And then we'll come back to that and see what, we're still on 1 bar. So we're going to fill that up for probably another 5 minutes, and we'll get to probably 2, maybe 3 bars. And then I'm going to open up the valves and empty it all out and run through the water from the taps. So hope it helps, guys, and we'll carry on with this video in a minute. I'm just going to fill up, as I said, for another bar on the water. On this also trial tribute, while I'm here in front of the panel, I leave it plugged in most of the time. And the normal battery is there, and the leisure battery is there, just to the green, and that's just gone out. So turn that off. There, that shows you I'm on the leisure battery onto 5 bars, and the normal battery 4 bars. So don't leave that on anyway. So let's go outside now, and we'll just fill this up now for another couple of minutes. I've never done this before, and I should have done, but better late than never. So that's enough water in there, I think. So we're just going to take that, load that with more, and give it an hour or two, and then we come back and empty all the water out and put the hose in again. Hi guys, so as you can see now, my water is full. So what I'm going to do now is open up the taps, open up the valves, and put the hose in again, but leave everything open and drain the tank off as a little bit of water is going in as well. So I'll probably drain it off 3/4 or drain it down, then rinse it out. Might be the better thing to do actually. We'll see. Let's see how we get on, shall we? So now I'm draining the taps off. One's about 80% and one's for 20%. So you drain one off and it will, this one, and then that one will leave 20% in the tank. But I'm draining both of them. As you see, a few bubbles because of the bleach. Now I'm going to turn the taps on so it also run away from the wastewater. Let's go and turn the taps on, shall we? This does take a while. There's a bit of to and froing on the taps and that, so it's just a 2 to 3 hour job, I'd say. You know, although you can leave it, but to it. Now I don't want that to run out of water because that's not good for the pump. So let's just check. You know, we're down to halfway already, as you can see. So I'm going to turn the tap off a minute. Put the hose in. Go and turn the tap on and put the hose in. So now I put the hose in. That's running okay. Let's go and turn the taps on. And let's flush this system through. Just leave it on to the cold for a moment. And let's turn the bathroom one on as well. Now we're just going to keep that running. What we got in here? Down to 1. Just put my finger on there and smell. That smells fine. It doesn't smell bleachy at all. That's good. What are we on now? We're still on 1 bar. That's because the water's running in but also running out at more or less the same rate. Let's just have another check on that. Yeah, still on 1 bar as you can see. So it seems to be staying on that. That's not running away as best it could, so I might have a small blockage here. So it's a bit of a long job, but well worth doing. You should probably do it a couple of times a year, I believe. I think before you put your van to bed for the winter, and when you set off before your first journey again in the summertime. Just check that taps. Yeah, pipe in it. Yeah, pipe still in there, running in, so that should all stay on. Yeah, still on the 1 bar. So we've got about the same amount of water going out as we've got going in. This is still running. Let's turn to the hot so we can clean through the boiler as well. That smells a bit bleachy, that one, to be honest. So that needs running a bit more on that hot water. Yeah, let's run that for a few more minutes there. That one smells a bit bleachy. That one smells fine. See if there's less soak now, if you like, and there's less bubbles. Let's turn that off and let it run away a little bit. So I've had the one in the bathroom now running for a few minutes, and now that smells okay. There's no bleach up there now. There's some little bubbles left because it's not running away fast enough. Yeah, but that smells fine now. Just keep that running a bit longer. Let's turn this tap on again. See what we're on. We're still on the 1 bar, so that's okay, because I don't want to run it down to the red because I don't want to damage the pump, any risk of damaging the pump with no water for it to pump. So you don't want to be doing that. So we're going to get that fine balance. And that is running away basically clear now, as you can see. The bleach is gone. So that's how you do it, guys. I've done my research, and you've probably got other ways of doing it. You can buy things to put in your tank from Amazon online or from camping shops. But I just went Googled it, and it said use bleach. I've used the bleach. Next time I'll probably do it a different way, perhaps. But that should clear all the bacteria out of the tank. It must now run in nice and clear. Yeah, it's great. It's a job done. Well, I hope that's helped you guys, and thanks for joining me today doing my first clean of a tank. Should have done it before, but there you go, better late than never. So see you on the next video, guys. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed that video. Thank you. See you again.